Concurrency is something needed in every language, and Python is no exception. You know how you always have to wait for that for loop to finish before your program continues? Well, threading helps you fix that by running the loop on a separate thread, therefore allowing your other code to run. To implement this, first import threading. Let's say this is the function you want to run in the thread. Then to create a thread, we use threading.thread, and here we put in the function that you want to run in the thread. Let's store this in a variable t. So we do t.start to start the thread, and that's all we need to do. Now we can print something, and when we run this, we see that the last print statement gets executed first, and the other one comes last because it was running on a separate thread. This code will be available on my blog, so if you want to copy it directly, the link will be in the description. You can also pass variables into this function, for example, the time to sleep, and to pass that into a thread, you will do args equal to tuple of elements that you want to pass in as arguments. And we can use those arguments normally in the function. Now it just looks like nothing happened. Do well to leave a like or subscribe if you enjoyed it.